Da ka jingthmu ban plelat ya ki khna ki badan ka sap ka phong ban yele kai football katanat Sipai Assam Rifles Club pinmi ya ka Residential Football Academy haringkat ka jing Iatreilang bat ka Baichung Butia Football School kani kadai ka Baichung Butia Football School Residential Program ka beningkong ha ka than Iatreilang mi ngi ka ban plelat ya ki ba eight football ha ka than bat ban penjanai ha kani ka jing yele kai kajing ang nut jong kari India banile kai ha ka FIFA World Cup tat hadu snam arajar sanpau ha ka ba kinong ile kai ha ka kinhun ka India kindai na ka than chitailam mi ngi kan play ya kilat kilinti na ka benta ka jala hinen kasngi la penlong ya ka program ka bakerpang ha ka ba laya soy ya ka MOU hapdeng ka Assam Rifles bat ka Baichung Butia Football School.
This is our first residential academy in Northeast. We already have 3 in different parts of the country. So Northeast obviously being one of the football hub and a lot of talent comes out of Northeast. So we thought that it's important we set up a residential academy. We already have a lot of Northeast players in our residential academy. In fact, one of them from Shillong is already playing for under 16 in India. So I think that shows that the number of talent players it is. So we're very honoured and privileged to tie up with Assam Rifles Public School and I hope we can get some good footballers out of the centre.